On a wet and windy day, it's just a wonderful thing to be able to take one's time and look around and walk through some quiet space where one can feel so close to the earth and to the waters. Where one can just reach out and for a moment touch the green leaves and look closely at them, so closely. When you look closely, come to a very deep sense of being one with them, and then walk along. It doesn't have to be much of a path. As you can see, this one is quite small, and yet there is so much beauty here, so much wonder here. This wonderful tree lifting itself up and up. And there, see, just right through there, you can see the sky just a little bit. And then you keep walking, and you find there's some token, something that someone left in love. And see how they left it. Just the creativity of human beings. And here, another great, beautiful tree. And the flowers, oh, the wonderful flowers. I couldn't see myself doing it today, it's too wet, but sometime in the summer, sitting here and just watching life happen all around me, trees swaying, beautiful bushes, then going on and on, taking just time to breathe and time to live and time to feel, time just to see the plant dancing in the water. All of these beautiful things happen on any day, rainy day, sunny day. And isn't it delightful just to have a chance to be able to be quiet for a moment, to see all of this beauty, and then to be stopped by the creativity of human beings and say, the sound of the waters, the sound of the purifying waters on a rainy day.